Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be transforming this old, tired and crusty wig into something that looks a lot better. So if you want to see that, please keep on watching. I'm not an expert, I was just trying my hands on this thing for the first time, so yeah, let's go. First thing I'll be doing is removing the old weave or dismantling the old weave from the wig cap. And you don't have to do this step. I'm sure you could just like wash the weave or the wig cap itself, but I took the time to do this because I want to get some practice like in sewing wigs, so that the next time I get like new bundles, I'll be able to sew them by myself. I won't spoil it and all of that. And I figured, like, what better way to practice than with an old wig, so that if it goes south, you can just throw the thing away and do like no what's going on. So yeah, after removing all the weaves from the wig cap, I'm going to be removing the excess thread from the tracks and the closure and all of that. So next I'm going to attempt to bleach my closure. So I bought this bleach and developer from Accra, and I just mixed it and got like a very thick consistency, and then applied it all over the closure. I'm doing this again for practice because like if I'm customizing my new weave, I don't want to spoil it, so I used an old wig. So that's, yeah, at least I know what I'm doing. And wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. So next thing, I'm going to take hot water and some conditioner, and I'm going to soak my weaves inside for about 15 minutes. And after I've soaked the weaves inside for a bit, I'm going to take my time to like separate or comb through all of the weaves after adding a little more hot water so that it's like fully soaked. So yeah, basically all I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be combing through the bundles, and then now I'm crying, there's no bundles, so because this wig is old. It's old. So I'm just going to be combing through it, and then I'll set it aside, comb through it, set it aside, comb through it, and set it aside. Basically just trying to get all the tangles out of it. And then yes, boom. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to be hanging it on a hanger to dry. So next, into the wig making part. As I said, I'm not an expert. I don't know anything about wig making. So I went ahead to draw lines on the wig caps. I put the wig cap, this is a door mesh cap. I put the wig cap on a dummy head or a wig head, and then I just went ahead to draw lines across it. So the lines that I'm drawing are 2 finger widths apart, and I'm just like drawing the lines to basically guide me so that I know like what I'm doing. I can like for reference. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and when I'm done with the lines, this is what the wig cap looks like. Then I'm going to go on to sewing. Like, I don't know who sent me to do these things, so because me and kasa, so sewing dress, which is supposed to be easier than this, like stitching my dresses, I cannot do, but I've taken it upon myself to be sewing wig. So basically for the edges where the elastic is, I was trying not to like sew through the elastic, so I was just sewing through like the wig cap itself. And for the back part of the hair, I doubled the bundles. So instead of doing like single bands, I just doubled it, and I just sewed and sewed and sewed through. It was less difficult than I thought it would be. It wasn't that bad. Like, I mean, it wasn't that bad. So basically put the needle, which is a curved needle, through your wig cap and underneath the tracks, and then send your thread 2 times around the needle and then just pull through. So basically that's it. I'm sure there's a name for it. I don't know. Like, I'm sure those the sewing people, that's in that we have been doing. We know what we have been doing. Anyway, so that's all I'm going to be doing, around and around and around and around, until I get to the closure side, and then I'll just sew the closure to the wig as well. That's basically it. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the finished whatever, and I'm going to be attempting to straighten my hair, which I failed terribly at. But before I do that, I'm going to be applying this shea butter hair mousse. I don't know if this was the right step to do, but I did it anyway. So I'm applying the shea butter hair mousse to the hair, and then I'm going to be using this tiny little straightener that I got from Accra to attempt to straighten the hair. I think I need to like get more practice in straightening the hair, because when I was done, even though I could see a difference in the hair, it wasn't that much of a difference. So it was like, why did I bother to straighten the hair? Why you stress yourself, sis? So basically all I'm doing right now is like just brushing through the hair to make sure that the mousse is distributed evenly, like everywhere. So yes, as I said, I'm going to attempt to straighten the hair. So this is me attempting to straighten the hair and failing miserably. You guys will see when I show you the final whatever, that the hair didn't get straight. I wanted it to be straight, and then I was going to try and then like trim it, or yeah, trim it, but then the straightening did not work. When I started, it looked like it was working, and then it did not work again. So me, I left it because I cannot come and kill myself. Like, I don't know what I was doing. The tripod stand I'm using is the tripod stand from my ring light, so it wasn't very secure. So I think that's why, or just that's my bone. It's one of two things. Either say tripod stand no na enye papa, and I say you know, I did quite friend saying straight na no na enye papa, but this is the final hair, and as you can tell, it looks much better than how it was. So yeah. Okay, so this is the transformed wig. Like, it looks much better than when I started off, even though it's not perfect. And I just wanted to show you guys like my process of attempting to revamp my old wig. So yeah, I'm gonna stop the video now. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any tips, tricks for me going forward, please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what kind of videos you like to see on my channel next and all of that good stuff. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, sis, subscribe to my channel. You know you'll be coming back to watch more videos, so subscribe to my channel. Why are you stressing? Why are you stressing yourself? Why are you stressing me? Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.